Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna clean the glass on our majestic gas fireplace. I'm Jerry and I'm living the Newcomb life. Alright guys, so we have lived in our house for over 20 years now and we have never attempted to clean the glass on our majestic gas fireplace. I just watched a video on how to do that and it seems relatively straightforward. I will leave a link for that video so you can reference it too in the description notes of this video. But I wanted to kind of go through a step-by-step version of what we are going to do to clean our fireplace. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is turn the gas off. So this bottom portion folds down. So as you can see, I've turned the gas off right here. You know that the gas is off because if it was on, this knob would be the same direction as the gas line here. So you follow the gas line and it goes up into here. And you can see that the gas going up into the gas fireplace is in the off position. And just to confirm, the pilot light is right there, and there is no gas or lit gas going into the fireplace. All right, the next step is we have to take this upper portion off. When you first go to try to do it, it's going to feel like that it really doesn't want to come off, but you just have to kind of finagle it a little bit and it will. All right, so I'm going to use this flashlight and hopefully I can show you guys what you're looking for there. Basically what you're looking for is that small section, second louver from the bottom. That's where it goes in, and you basically just need to lift the whole unit up. Okay, so once you've identified where those hooks are, you basically just want to grab it on both ends and just kind of lift up, and it'll come up, and that section that you're looking for is this right here, and it simply hooks into this right here. So after it's been on for about 20 years, it may be a little difficult to get off. So once that is done, then the next part is we have to look for some latches up underneath. All right, so up underneath we're looking for these latches right here, and basically you just unhook it and the latch comes down. And make sure that you get the one on the other side. And then once you do that, you'll see that the glass will swing freely. And now we just have to lift up on it to remove it from the lip that it's sitting on. All right, so you can see the lip right here that it is sitting on. So I'm just gonna grab it from the bottom here and lift up, and it's gonna come right off of that lip. Just like that. Once you have that removed, now we can clean the glass. Okay, so when you do get the glass out, just make sure that you do lay it on something soft and have a nice clean workspace. All right guys, so I'm gonna be using Quick and Bright Fireplace Glass and Screen Heavy Duty Cleaner. This is not a sponsored video, but I thought about it and thought that you guys might benefit from us making a video while we do this. So basically what I'm going to do is I am going to spray this on here. I'll probably try to loosen it up with a straight razor blade and then wipe it off with the sponge and see how things go, and then adjust as I need. All right, now that I got the inside done, don't forget to do the outside. All right, and now that you have the glass clean, don't forget to vacuum on the inside of here and all of this, and do whatever basic maintenance that you need to while you have this open. All right, now that we got the glass as clean as it'll get, we're gonna reinstall it. And it just goes back on like that. And then we have to engage the clips. All right, and then we just need to put our upper grate back on, and this is where you're just gonna engage these into this section here. And that's it. The only thing that we need to do now is relight the pilot light and get everything going. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I need to turn this to the pilot position, and then we're gonna turn the gas on. We hold this in, and then we light the pilot light. So if we look up here, you should be able to see it light. There it goes. So we have to hold this portion right here in for about 30 to 60 seconds. Now we just turned this off, so it really shouldn't take that long. But if we watch up here, I'm gonna let this go and it should stay lit, and then you know you're good to go. And then all we do is we turn this switch to the on, and now the pilot light is lit and everything is good to go. Now this switch right here is for the height of the flame once the fireplace is on. That's all this is right here. All right guys, so that's it. Pretty easy. If you guys found this video beneficial, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.